I decided to go with Chinese. The last time I did this, of course, the Chinese is cinnamon. I added black pepper, cloves, anise, Szechuan peppers, and whole fennel seed. The last time I did Chinese, I didn't like it. The fennel seed tore me apart. The anise was too much for me. So this time I tried it with just putting a little bit at a time, right? Like the great chef says, put a little bit to the side, put some seasoning on it, and taste it. Using it sparingly, this is what I came up with. And of course we have zucchini in there, some squash, some green onions, and a couple pieces of chicken that I sauteed before. The good old sherry here to release the fine off the bottom of the pan, which is all of the flavor. And so the last time I cooked this, I didn't like it. This fennel and the anise tore me apart. But this time, using it sparingly, just a little bit, adding a little bit more each time, man, I came up with something this time. This is real Chinese. This is authentic Chinese that you would get in a restaurant, and it would cost you, this dinner right here would cost you just a plate of it, not all of it. That's enough to feed 3 people. And so, but I figure that a meal like that at a Chinese restaurant, just a plate of that, it probably be about, I don't know, I don't eat out. I don't eat at restaurants. That's why I took the cooking courses. I can't stand it. But I think stuff like that run like $18, $19, $25, for a meal of that. They'll throw a bunch of rice in there with it, but we're going without that. We're going without rice, nothing but meat and vegetables. And I'm getting away from all of that, what do you call it? Away from all of those carbs. And it's working. I cut the carbs out and I lost 2.5 pounds in 3 days just by cutting carbs out. So this is what it would look like on the plate. And I'm not being greedy. I'm just eating one piece of the chicken. So I'm going to taste it, and I know the guy that I took classes from for cooking, he said, I'm not going to tell you how it tastes. I'm not going to be doing all that ooh la la and all that shit. He said, cook and taste your stuff and see and tell yourself what you think. Yeah, that is a Chinese. That is an Asian dish, okay, and I am gonna say, yeah, it's pretty good. It tastes pretty good. I'm impressed. So, till next time we'll get better footage of shots like this and stuff like that, so you can see me cooking it from the beginning and all of that. I'm just getting going with all of it. Yeah, you can hear me smacking here. They would charge you an arm and a leg for this meal. Made it right here at home. I have another good meal to add to my collection. Go to my website. You'll see all the meals that I've done. I've done about 74, and 54 I consider successes, and about 25, 24 I figure I classified as catastrophes. I didn't put the catastrophes on there. You have to email me or something when we talk about it. But yeah, this is authentic Chinese. That's it. It's good.